All right, so recently I decided I want to start filming a little bit more when I'm riding the motorcycle. So I started thinking about what kind of kit out there do I get? And there's a lot of information out there. There's a lot of different ways that people do it, but I wanted kind of the simplest way that I could think of that would help me do this. I've got an Insta360 camera that, they're really beneficial because I think it kind of, you don't have to focus on one thing. It allows you to film, 360, and then after the fact, go in and try to, grab the images that you want at any given time. So I'm going to show you guys some of the footage that I filmed with that 360 camera, and it's just the very original one that came out, the X1, I believe it is. Now they got the X3 out there, and it's got a big screen on the back, so that's definitely a little bit better, but that X1 honestly still works, and if you're watching this video, you'll be able to see the same thing. So what I decided to do was, how do I do this the safest way possible? So first of all, there's a few people out there, they either sit on the 360 cam and then it just kind of sticks out while they're riding, or they try to mount it in their jacket to kind of give them that bird's eye view or that Grand Theft Auto kind of look when they're riding down the interstate. So I was able to achieve all these things using the Insta360 motorcycle mount, and I'm not sponsored by them. I purchased this outright, but this is the 360 motorcycle mount bundle, and it comes with a bunch of different accessories, right? Clip-ins and all sorts of little adapters with that mount for your camera so that you can screw that in. And what I found is that you can actually use these in different scenarios. So this is an example of a clip that it comes with. This here, for example, you can use double-sided tape and stick it to your helmet and then slip something in there. GoPro even, some of these will work with that. You can see some of the style of clips that they have in here. This, for example, would work just fine with a GoPro, right? So it's just all sorts of these little doohickeys that are in here. I'll show you guys another one. So here's another different style right here, right? And that can work with any camera, right? It doesn't have to be a 360 camera. It just has to have that size threading right there, and that would also work. So it comes with a bunch of different accessories that go with that, but my favorite probably is this one right here. I think this is the nuts and bolts, or the major part of the system right here. And you can see it comprises of two pieces, right? There's this piece right here with a little ball, and then there's this middle piece, and then there's this other ball right here, which there's a couple of different balls like that in the system. But this clips in anywhere, right? So you'll watch these videos right now, and I've got it clipped into different things. I'll try to play them in the top as I'm talking about it, but then also play the video, a longer video towards the end. So I got it mounted here, for example, and I'll zoom out so you can see the motorcycle. So in this mounting position right here, what I was experimenting with is the camera up and down like this, or facing forward. So as I'm sitting on the motorcycle, I'm actually able to change this up and down easily enough, right? You can hit record, you can hit stop, you can do anything with that. And this is on the shorter telescoping selfie stick, all right? So it extends out. I didn't have it extended that far. I think the most I had it out was about that much right there. And you can see by the image that's playing that still captures quite a decent amount. If I was to spring it or pull it all the way out, I'd be able to get you like a very, very cool view, which looks like somebody driving next to me is actually filming it. But like I said, I'm just getting into this, so trying to figure it all out right now. But I like this mount because it's highly adjustable, right? Like I can adjust this forward, back. I can, pivot it on that, or pivot it on this end, pivot it on both ends. And then on top of that, this fastener right here will allow me to attach it to just about any position. So we've seen this position right here. I'm going to undo this. All right. I also mounted it up here. All right. And you can see the video that I captured when it was in this position right here. And what I did when it was here, I didn't want it standing up so tall. So what I ended up doing is pivoting it like this. So it's kind of like an L shape, right? So it's mounted there. and then that makes it a little bit shorter with the camera, of course, facing the front. But that's where I had it mounted for the shot that you're viewing right now. And yeah, that worked out pretty good as well. This is easier because I can manipulate it, right? I can control it. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of clip it on. All right, so from the imagery you're viewing right now, I had it mounted like this, okay? And this is a cool position for this because I can actually control it, right? I can control the buttons, I can see the battery life and everything else on this. And this is where it would be kind of helpful to have that 360 X3 because it's got the way bigger screen, right? Easier to interact with, but I can still see my battery life. I can see everything on that, and I can start, stop. So this is a good position for it. And you can see that pivoting that I was talking about. I'm able to pivot it right on this ball and pivot it on that one as well. Because if I just had it upright, it would be way too tall for this particular selfie stick that I'm using. Yes, I can also screw this directly in to this base right here because this ball mount actually just has a screw system on it as well. So I could undo this and screw the camera directly into that, and that would be shorter and probably more ideal, but I just didn't want to take it off that stick because I was doing it all in a little bit of a hurry. But that's what that position is, and that's the video that you're seeing right now. So another cool thing about this motorcycle right now, this is a F850 BMW, and it's got crash bars on it by Outback Motor Track. So I'm able to also mount the camera in different positions, right? I showed you this position right here, but I can also mount it right here on the side to give me a more frontal view. But the other position that I mounted it on is right here on the back, and I'll show you guys. All right, so the image you guys are viewing right now is off this mounted at this position. So the video you guys are viewing right now is off the camera mounted at this position right here. So it's not pivoted at this point, it's straight up and down on here. And the benefit of a selfie stick is that I was able to extend that over my head. So I was able to extend that over my head on the motorcycle. And depending on the look that you want, you can have it kind of show your motorcycle a little bit or have it even up higher, kind of like sticking out like an antenna on a truck. So that's what I am showing you right now, the imagery. And honestly, that was kind of convenient as well. And that was kind of cool. I could have done it anywhere on these bars because I can pivot it on any of these pivot points right here or there, right? So it doesn't matter that the clamp doesn't have to be clamped this way. It can be clamped that way, and the camera is still facing the right direction on that. So that actually worked out real well as well, and that's the imagery that you guys are seeing right now. So those are the three positions that I've experimented with at the moment. So I'll be working on different positions and just kind of fine-tuning it to see exactly what do I like, what works the best, so I can capture a little bit more footage. The only other thing that's remaining now is getting real nice audio when I'm riding. It's very hard, right? You're out there, it's windy. I know I've got not in this particular helmet that I have, but in my main helmet, I've got an audio system in there so you can take calls and that kind of thing. But I need to figure out how do I record or capture audio without all the wind noise to it. So that is my next step. But the camera setup, I think I like this setup. Would be kind of cool with two cameras, two of those 360 cameras. So you can put one on the front, one on the back, or maybe even a GoPro, maybe mix that, do a GoPro and that camera, and that would kind of work out too. But just a quick run through of some footage that I just shot real quick using this kit right here. And I think it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'll just play some shots, some longer shots of driving around on the motorcycle with the camera with all the different angles that I already showed you. and you guys can kind of take a look for yourselves what you like and what you don't like, or if this kit would work out for you. But for me, I think this is going to be ideal. Just getting into it, so I could find something that I think is better. But for right now, honestly, that Insta360 looks like that's where it's at. Until then, peace.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.